Now that the Washington, D.C. police has been federalized, what happens under the law? The law is Section 740 of the District of Columbia Home Rule Act. The president can take control of the police when the president determines that special conditions of an emergency nature exist, which require the use of the Metropolitan Police Force for federal purposes. He may then direct the mayor to provide him, and the mayor shall provide such services of the police force as the president may deem necessary and appropriate. The mayor has done that. Now, this only continues for 48 hours unless the president has, before the expiration of the 48-hour period, notified Congress, at least certain members. Trump says that there are special conditions of an emergency nature, even though crime has been going down in Washington, D.C. for years. But let's assume all that has happened and is appropriate for the purposes of argument. Subsection D says that it shall not extend beyond 30 days unless the Senate and House enact into law a joint resolution authorizing an extension. That seems unlikely. Paragraph C gets into an exception when Congress is in recess, but I don't believe that's the case. Usually, Congress stays in some sort of formal session to avoid a recess. Why? To avoid recess appointments. So, Trump, further trying to consolidate his power over the United States and to hell with states' rights or local control, takes control of the Washington, D.C. police, citing an emergency that appears not to exist. He likely notified the appropriate congressional officials within 48 hours, but the 30-day clock is ticking. It seems highly unlikely that Congress would agree to extend that.